Hello.
Morning.
It's bank holiday August and we're just on our way up to Durham. We're using this opportunity to do a vlog because we've just bought a new GoPro. So we're testing it out this weekend because we've got a big road trip coming up in a few weeks. So yeah, we're off to Chester-le-Street for the cricket and then we're going to pop into Durham as well at some point over the weekend. Where are we heading now? Angel of the North?
Angel of the North.
Angel of the North we're heading now. From home it was about 3 hours 20-minute drive. I've got about an hour left, so we're getting further north. We're just coming past Leeds and everywhere now. So yeah, we'll go and see what this part of the UK is like.
Yeah, we've never been up this far, have we?
No. So yeah, Leeds is busy because it's August bank holiday, which means Leeds Festival. So yeah, I'll stop rambling and next time you see us will be at the Angel of the North.
Used to the new bits of the format and how that rushes you sometimes. You go, oh my god, I've got 60 seconds to get my car.
So just off a busy road, it's quite windy, so you might struggle to hear us. Got a car park with a burger van, and then there she is, or he is, I don't know what sex it is, Angel of the North. Let's go have a good look at it. Yeah, I've had to walk quite far down the hill to get it all in actually. It's quite big. Bigger than you think. Lunch stuff.
Yeah, corned beef pie, chips, peas and gravy.
Standard. Same. It's only a little town, Chester-le-Street. Nat says it's a bit like your Toxeter.
It is.
So we just had a nice lunch and we've spied a National Trust that looks quite interesting, so we're going to head over there now. Now we're in the village of Washington. It's parked on the main road. Don't think there was a car park for this National Trust.
No.
Cute little church. And then this is the entrance. Washington Old Hall. So we just got scanned in. A friendly National Trust worker told us that the old house here is open on 1/4 every hour. So it's 5 past now, so about 10 minutes time, and then there's a little talk apparently. He was saying there's a village just out, about a minute's walk, loads of coffee shops and everything. It's nice little, it's tiny isn't it?
I
But
wanted the National Trust scone.
no scones, no coffee
scones.
shop. Apparently they lost the coffee shop in COVID, so. But yeah, it looks a nice little. It's always useful because we don't normally see like when we're like we only see the local ones all the time.
Yeah.
So if we're out and about and we've got a bit of time spare, just see which ones are around. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's go have a look. Film about when Jimmy Carter came and opened it up. looks like they're the spades that they planted the tree with. Prime Minister James Callaghan. This is the painting of Mount Vernon that was donated by Jimmy Carter in 1977.
Smell it.
Yeah. Busy bees, busy bees. Yeah, so that's Washington Old Hall. There is a link with General George Washington. It was his direct descendants. So this was his like ancestral home, but he never came here. But that's where Washington gets its name from.
Yeah.
And we're going to be in another Washington in 3 weeks' time.
Yes, Washington DC.
This lavender smells really nice.
It does, it's full of bees.
They love it, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not a flower bee. And them little trees that Jimmy Carter and the Prime Minister planted are now this big. What's that, set 40, 45 years, something like that?
Yeah.
A bit longer. Noticed on the Durham website they do £5 after tea tickets, so we just got here and it's just nearly tea, so they let us in. So yeah, first time we've been to the Sayat unique Riverside.
Yeah.
Unfortunately we're not doing very well. Getting thrashed. Got filled a couple of hours,
It did.
and then at least we know tomorrow what to expect.
Yes.
Yeah, and unfortunately knots aren't doing too well in the cricket.
No. What's that? There's a Starbucks in there.
Could be all over tomorrow, couldn't it?
It could.
Glad we didn't do tickets for Sunday.
No. We're going to Durham on Sunday.
Yeah, so we're back off to the hotel now.
Get some tea,
Yeah,
have a couple of drinks.
yeah, and that's it for the night. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, that's where we're staying. It's not too bad. Could just do with a bit of modernising, really, couldn't it?
Yeah.
But breakfast was really nice. Just waiting for the bus now.
Yes.
On our way to the cricket ground again to watch Notts lose,
Yeah.
probably. But yeah, so the bus is due in a few minutes. Don't think there'll be much on the vlog today because it's just us at the cricket. So we're off to Durham tomorrow though, so film a bit more there.
Yeah. We'll do a bit more there. Weather permitting.
So this is the proper day that we planned for the cricket. Yesterday was a bonus, so let's go down to the cricket ground. Just walked through the park from Chester the street. Had a little park run on.
Yeah.
That was gutted. We wouldn't have had time to do a park run anyway.
No, I wouldn't have.
But yeah, it looked a nice one. Right by the cricket ground as well. Go through. in the members area.
Resuming the Nottinghamshire innings, Lyndon James and Brett Owen.
Cricket Nosh.
Oh yeah, cricket Nosh. Lunchtime.
Morning, it's Sunday morning. We are just on our way to Durham.
Yeah.
About 15 minutes from the hotel. Time did we leave the cricket last night? About 6:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't do anything exciting last night. Sat in that pot of noodles in bed.
Pot noodle sandwiches.
Oh, pot noodle sandwiches in
Not
bed.
Philistines.
Because we'd eaten out all day and we didn't really want much, so yeah, it was pot noodle sandwiches. So we will see you when we get to Durham.
Got a coffee. Just walking up to the castle now and the cathedral up here. Turkish for lunch. Starters, falafel, with some Turkish bread, and that's had hummus. And then a mixed cocktail.
A doner kebab.
That's it. That's bank holiday weekend pretty much done.
Yeah.
Durham was nice. It's quite small.
Yeah, it was small.
Watch your back.
This was a not pedestrianised.
Main things to see, obviously, castle and cathedral. Just had a lovely Turkish lunch.
Yes, very nice. I burnt my tongue on the Turkish apple tea.
Yeah, so now we've got about 3 hours, just over 3 hours drive back. So we'll probably stop somewhere along the way.
See what's about.
Yeah, we'll just slowly head home now. That's it. Right.
Let's get back to the car before it starts raining.
Yeah, see you on the next one. A few weeks time we're on a road trip, so that'll be the next video. Bye.
Bye.